Right here I have this Countertop reverse osmosis water system. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and show you everything it comes with. You can see this is everything that came inside the package besides a user manual. We have the actual reverse osmosis water filter system itself right here. It already has the filter cartridges installed. The two cartridges that are already installed in here are the composite filter cartridge and the reverse osmosis filter cartridge. The only other thing that came separate from this is this thickened borosilicate glass carafe. I really like that this is this nice glass material. It feels nice and sturdy as well. So that way when your water is done filtering, it's just sitting in this glass container, which I really like. Before we go ahead and use this, I'm gonna go ahead and wash up the water tank and this glass carafe itself. You can see back here is the actual water tank. Let's go ahead and wash this up so I can show you more details. So I have all the pieces washed up and ready to go. You can see I already filled the water tank back here. The max amount that you can place in here is 2 liters, which is a really nice large amount. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this in the back. And then we're just gonna place this lid on and the carafe in place. So I wanted to kind of show you what that looks like. You can see all of the water is filtering in through the different filters in here. So let's go ahead and check out this control panel in front here. You can see this looks like 2 little batteries, and that just shows each individual filter life indicator. So as the filter life gets shorter and they get more used, it will show in these 2 places. So we can see both filters are brand new and good to go. Right above here will display a little water shortage alarm. When you do run low on water in the back, a little icon will illuminate right there. So you can see this button illuminated down here says source TDS. And essentially that's the real-time source water quality button. So that's gonna be the water quality that's back here in the filter that just came straight from the sink in my case. So you can see the water quality level is 57. And then if you push this button up here where it says pure TDS, that's gonna be the water quality in the actual carafe after it's run through the filtration system. Right down here is the reset or flush button. You're gonna use that when you install a new filter. And we have 3 different options right here as far as how much water you want to put into this carafe. We have 0.4 liters, 0.8 liters, and 1.2 liters. I'm gonna go ahead and press the middle amount. Okay, I'm really impressed by the flow rate right here. So you can see right here, it illuminated the refill the water icon. I really like that you can look at the water quality of the purified water versus the source water. I think that's really useful. And I like that you can easily just remove this and then pour it into any glasses that you want to drink out of or whatever you want to use this water for. Or you could honestly just keep it on the counter for when you are ready for a drink of water. Let's go ahead and try a glass. Okay, it tastes like a really nice glass of water. One of the things that I really do love about this machine is that there was literally 0 installation. All you had to do is set this on the counter and plug it in. So because this is nice and portable, you could use it in any different spot in the house that's gonna be most functional for you. And because of its size, it's more skinny this way and then just goes a little bit long. So if you have this on a countertop, it's not gonna take up very much counter space, which is great. Because this is nice and mobile and easy to move around, you could even use this in your bedroom. Besides the kitchen, you could use this in your office or even take it camping with you. So just to walk you through a little bit of the filtration process and some of the different things that are being filtered out, the polypropylene membrane, which is the first filter that it's going to come through, is going to remove things like rust, dust, sand, some of that larger sediment. And then the front activated carbon filter is going to filter out chlorine, odors, things like that. And then we have the 2 times longer reverse osmosis membrane, which is going to filter out heavy metals, nitrates, PFAs, PFOAs, lead, sodium, chromium. And then last, we have the post coconut carbon, and that's going to eliminate things like odor. So with this 4-stage filtration system, it's gonna help to reduce 1,000+ impurities. I also do like that the replacement process for the filters themselves is really nice and easy, and the filter life is actually 12 months, so you only have to replace the filter once a year. You can see if we lift off the top, this is the 2 different filters. They have a little handle, you can easily pull them out. I'm gonna go ahead and show you a couple different places that I would use this. Overall, I'm really excited about this portable reverse osmosis system. I love that you can set this on the countertop and it can be tucked away and not take up too much space. I also like that the main carafe that the water sits in is glass as well.